This video got 2 million views and I had absolutely no idea why until I read the comments. I want to be crystal clear. I knew this was clay. I knew exactly what I was holding, but what I didn't know is what the rest of the world was seeing. If that is my poop, will you do? Probs not. My guy polished a turd. Nice ball of poop. I am not obsessed with that piece of poop. How did bro shape shit into a ball and why? Not poop, it's clay. So as you can see, I was a little intrigued as to why I was attracting so many poop comments for my beautiful shiny ball. So I had a look and I found the frame that started the whole thing, this one. And I came to the realization that, yep, that 100% looks like I am holding a piece of poop. The amount of time I spent editing this, I did not notice once that it looks like that. So shiny ball, I will give a subscribe. Thank you. Dorodango is a very beautiful craft. Love heart. Yes, 100%. It is a really beautiful craft and I really appreciate that you love it too. Do you have a dog? If you have, I think that's dog's poop. Does look like it. And then I also get comments from people who have tried it themselves, which is awesome. Like, I love that you have given it a go, whether you succeeded or failed. I love it. And what I love more is that you let me know about it. So Isaac Cabrera, mine still looks like junk. I don't fully get how to polish it. It didn't work. Isaac, I'm here for you. I will help you. And if you are super keen, I have tutorials and kits and everything. So you can actually do this and it will work. Don't drop it. You don't want to drop them. This is what we get when you drop a dorodango. Boom. So this is what the inside looks like. Yes, drop it, it breaks. So the Cheez-It Man is coming. Oh, the Cheez-It Man is coming. The Cheez-It Man is coming. Then I'm trying to make one of these, but I live in a high desert, so I can't find any good dirt. That is an issue. Finding the right dirt is a mission and an adventure in itself. That is 100% the reason why I created a kit. I literally did all the hard work. I've balanced the ratios of everything that you need. So you don't have to go and find. So you can live in the high desert. You can live in the snow. Wherever it is that you live, with my kit, you can make this. And King Lizard II. Haha, you guys need a bottle to make a perfect sphere. I did this with my own bare manly ass hands, with dirt from my own darn backyard, and the mixture I had was perfect. King Lizard II has some fantastic advice. This comment was so fun and I love it. So thank you. N Jones 52. Some monster out there is going to polish a dog turd and give it to someone as a gift. Don't do that. I thought that was elephant shit at the start. I thought it was cookie dough. I remember seeing this one from Womp Womp and my thought was, oh, that's so refreshing. Not a poop comment. So thank you, Womp Womp. That made my day. Finally, it didn't look like poop. I was happy. So W Video FR, I'm a bit old. Don't know what that means, but bro left a heart and comment on every comment. We need more YouTubers like you. Thank you so much. Graphics dude. That is amazing and I appreciate you. He makes it look so easy, but it takes like 34 hours just to make one. Yes, it can take that long and traditionally it does. I have managed to shrink down that working time quite significantly. So it is not going to take you 34 hours, but it will take you some time. And this one was a little bit left field. I'm not sure of the name, Nem and Mole or something. I'm not sure, sorry. The very deep meaning of this, that is when even though you're hurt or being torn apart with some love and care, you will become anew and more prettier than before. My opinion though. That is beautiful, that is deep, and I really, really appreciate your comment, because that is the essence of a dorodango, that we're turning something that is ordinary and ugly into something very beautiful. So you've nailed it there. So back to the poop comments. They are literally scattered. There's hundreds of them. Hundreds. Is that poop emoji? Question mark, laughing. Nope, it's clay. I thought it's a poop. At this stage, like it was funny, but then it was like, oh my gosh, no, it's not. It's not. But that's okay. The algorithm loves it. Straw drink. I love them, but the funny part, I thought it was poop. They are beautiful. Thank you so much. They are beautiful, and I appreciate you. I thought that was a dog shit at the start. Tutorial? Yes. At first I thought it was poop. Sorry everyone, I guess I was wrong. Yes, it's clay. So xz.n_14. My toxic trait is thinking I can do this in my backyard with a spoon, the sun, and hope. Love it. Angelica Belga. That looks like a glass filled with clean shine dirt. I love this comment because sometimes when you make a really, really perfect one, the way that I describe it is like a ball of dirt has been dipped in glass, because they get this really, really deep shine where it looks like there's just a layer, like, 2 or 3 mils of just glass encasing this dirt. That's what they look like. So I loved this comment. Thank you so much, because it's exactly how I view the really, really perfect ones, especially when you use a natural, like you don't add a mica to the surface. They can end up with that really glass dipped shine, and they're gorgeous. How can you make it? Heart, heart, heart. Please reply. Also want to learn this. Well, I did reply, as I try to do. And again, I have a kit and a tutorial, so you're all set. That very beautiful. Thank you. How is it so smooth? Great question. It is so smooth because I spend an enormous amount of time polishing with my hands and with my polishing tools to make it so smooth. And trust me, they feel as amazing as they look. Will it break if you throw it on the floor? Yes. Yes, it will. It will shatter and it will crumble. Then there was a little follow-up comment from that one, from someone else who was jumping on the bandwagon. I need someone to make a video of smashing one. It would be so satisfying because of the mud inside. Good news, I have actually made a video of smashing one, and it is satisfying. But it's a little bit sad as well, because if you understand and you've made one and know how much work goes into it, smashing it is it's a little bit of a sad occasion. To everyone who commented poop, I forgive you. To the cookie dough person, I'm genuinely flattered. For anyone still confused, this is hikaru dorodango, an ancient Japanese art form. It's clay, not dirt from your backyard, not cookie dough, and absolutely not dog poop. To the bare manly hands guy, respect, genuinely. But also, there is a better way. And if you want to make one yourself, the link to the kit is in the description. And to the person planning on polishing a dog turd as a gift, please don't. There's a kit for that.